Shiva. Sorry, I was just caught up in the social media frenzy. I'm alright, I guess. What about you?
I've noticed you're pretty distant lately. We used to hang out all the time, but now you're always glued to your phone.
I guess there's just so much going on online, and I feel like I need to stay connected.
I get it, but what about our offline connections? They matter too. Remember when we used to have these deep conversations about everything?
Yeah, those were good times. I miss that.
Me too. I think we should try to disconnect from our screens once in a while and connect with each other like we used to.
You're right. It's easy to forget how important real conversations are in building relationships.
Just as they are about to continue their conversation, Mr. Johnson, their teacher, approaches them.
Hey you two, what's the topic of discussion?
Actually, we were just realizing how important it is to have meaningful conversations and connect with each other beyond our screens.
That's fantastic to hear, Anna. Communication is vital in our lives, and it's great that you are recognizing its value. Keep it up.
As the bell rings, they put away their phones and work together, engaging in a real conversation, eager to strengthen their bond once again.